Welcome to our guide where we've implemented a streamlined workflow leveraging Azure DevOps and Terraform. We start with the developer committing their code to the Git repository, triggering a series of automated actions orchestrated by Azure DevOps. Upon code commitment, Azure DevOps starts fetching the latest changes from the repository, initiating the continuous integration (CI) process. Next, Azure DevOps orchestrates the automated build process, transforming the source code into deployable artifacts. With the code successfully built using Terraform, Azure resources are provisioned seamlessly. Terraform scripts define the desired state of the infrastructure, enabling consistent and predictable deployments.
For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.